Unlock your cinematic vision and transform how you create films with the groundbreaking power of Nano Banana. Let's dive into the core of AI filmmaking first. We harness Nano Banana for script generation. This isn't just about words. It's about crafting compelling narratives. Simply input your core concept, perhaps a sci-fi thriller set on Mars, or a heartwarming drama about a lost pet. Nano Banana's advanced algorithms will then brainstorm plot points, character arcs, and dialogue, offering multiple creative directions to explore. Think of it as having an infinite room of writers at your fingertips, ready to spark your imagination. Once your script takes shape, it's time for scene design. Nano Banana assists in visualizing your narrative by translating text-based descriptions into tangible scene layouts. You can guide the AI to suggest optimal camera angles, lighting conditions, and even subtle environmental details that enhance the mood and storytelling of each shot. Experiment with different atmospheric presets to see how easily you can establish a specific tone, from dimly lit noir to bright, energetic action sequences. This interactive process allows you to rapidly iterate on your visual concepts before the heavy lifting of production even begins. Moving into post-production, Nano Banana excels at bridging the gap between your vision and the final output. It integrates seamlessly with existing editing workflows, offering intelligent suggestions for pacing, color grading, and even background music synchronization. Imagine AI-powered tools that can automatically generate stunning visual effects based on your scene descriptions or suggest edits that perfectly complement your narrative's emotional beats. This is where you truly maximize efficiency, allowing you to focus on the artistic nuances that make your film unique, all while tapping into the immense potential of AI to revolutionize the industry.